Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Welcome to a new lesson for our school, our technical school. This is an English lesson for grade 10 using Technical English Book 1. And the title of today's lesson is Dimensions 2. As usual, we need to look at the objectives before we start the lesson. The first objective is converting nouns into adjectives and vice versa. Relax. The second objective is using nouns and adjectives in sentences correctly. Please go to the course book, page 53, to be able to follow this lesson. Before we start the lesson, actually, let's look at some of the words that we will need in this lesson. What is this boy measuring? He's measuring his height. And in this ruler, we're using a ruler to measure the length. And here we have a t-shirt, and we have length, and the other side is width. So height means ارتفاع, length طول, width عرض. And the final picture here, the third picture, the t-shirt picture, shows us the difference between width and length. Finally, here we have a well, بئر, and we are measuring here the depth. Now let's look at page 53, exercise 5. Exercise 5, we need to complete the table. We have adjective and noun. And if you notice that we are supposed to change some adjectives like high, long, and wide into nouns, and vice versa, we will change a noun into an adjective. The noun is depth. So let's look at the words high, long, space, wide, and here we have 3 spaces and depth. Now let's check the answers. Deep, height, length, and finally width. High becomes height or vice versa. The same with long and length. Deep, depth, wide, width. Okay, now let's use these words. Complete the sentences with the correct word in brackets. The of the road is 6 meters. The wide or width? The correct answer is width. The width of the road is 6 meters. Number 2, the river is 230 kilometers. Long or length? Long. The sea has a of 330 meters. Deep or depth? Very good. Depth. Number 4, these pylons are over 80 meters. High or height? High. These oil wells are more than 700 meters. Deep or depth? Deep. Number 6, the total of the road is about 120 kilometers. So the total long or total length? Of course, length. Number 7, the tunnel is 15 meters. Wide or width? Wide. Number 8, the of the bridge is 130 meters. high or height? It is height. Okay, so we notice that in number 1 we used the, and after that we use the noun. The same as in number 3, we use the noun a, so a depth, a width, and so on. The width, the depth, the total, like in number 6, the total length, the total width, the total height. Of course, the same in number 8, the height, the width. So we use the noun after the, a, and the total. But let's look at number 2. We usually use it after the distance itself, or the measurement. We say 230 meters, kilometers long, deep, high, and so on. So we use the adjectives after the measurement, but we use the noun after the or the total. Look at number 4, 80 meters high, adjective. Number 5, 700 meters deep, also an adjective. Number 7, 15 meters wide. Okay, so this is how we can differentiate how to use a noun or an adjective. In the next exercise or the language box, we will see also other ways or other places where we can use adjectives or nouns. This language box is on page 53 also. So how high is it, or how high are they? How wide is it? How wide are they? How long is it? How long are they? How deep is it? How deep are they? So in questions that starts with how, we use the adjectives. How high, how wide, how long, how deep. how high كم الارتفاع, how wide العرض, how long الطول, how deep العمق. We're asking about these. The answers, of course, we use the measurement, and of course we use the adjective. It's 2 meters high. It's 10 meters centimeters wide. They're 100 centimeters long, or they were 100 meters long. They're 1000 kilometers high or deep. So we can add this piece of information to what we learned in the first exercise. Please keep this in mind and get ready for using them in next exercises and in the exam. After watching the video, please don't forget to go to the teams to answer the homework. You will have 24 hours to finish the assignment. We wish you all best of luck. Goodbye.